With day two underway here at India Energy Week 2026 in Goa, innovation has taken center stage. Global energy companies are looking to scale up their presence in India, while Indian PSUs are pushing and accelerating for hydrogen and cleaner fuels, ensuring that India's energy transition plan is both clean and affordable.
India's central role in shaping the global energy landscape came into sharp focus on day 2 of India Energy Week 2026. Across leadership discussions, affordability, robust infrastructure, technology led innovation, and policy alignment emerged as the key pillars of a secure and sustainable energy future. Industry leaders stress that affordable LNG is critical to scaling natural gas across transport, power, and city gas networks, with prices in the 6 to 7 US dollars per MMBTU range seen as essential for long-term demand growth. Indian Oil reaffirmed its push towards hydrogen as a fuel of the future, focusing on making it commercially viable through projects such as the Panipat hydrogen plant. City gas distribution also remained in focus, with emphasis on pipeline connectivity and coordinated planning to expand the access to cleaner fuels. GAIL highlighted advances in hydrogen production, gas infrastructure, and AI driven operations, while Engineers India Limited underlined its role in building India's energy backbone through technology, digitization, and advanced refinery solutions. A key highlight on day 2 was the OPEC World Oil Outlook 2025, projecting India as the largest contributor to global energy demand growth till 2050, with demand expected to nearly double. Discussions on electrification further underscored electricity as central to growth, energy security, and decarbonization, driven by grid expansion and digital reforms.
As India continues to strengthen its position as a global hub for energy innovation and partnerships, we will keep bringing you the latest updates and action from India Energy Week 2026 here in Goa. Reporting from the ground, Nishtha Sharma.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.